Stop, look around you right now. There are things in your home, in your pocket, and on your desk that will be completely dead and useless before 2030. Not maybe, not probably, definitely. Stay with me till the end, because number 5 is the one that shocked me most, and I guarantee you are using it right now. And if you are still using them when that happens, you will be left behind completely. I found 7 of them. Every decade something dies. The 90s killed the fax machine, the 2000s killed the CD, the 2010s killed the DVD. And right now in 2026, 7 technologies are in their final years and most people are completely unaware. Here is exactly what is going and what you need to switch to right now before it is too late. Number 1. Passwords. Every password you have ever created is already dying. Biometric authentication, your fingerprint, your face, your iris is replacing passwords completely across every major platform. Apple, Google and Microsoft have all committed to making passwords obsolete by 2030. Passkeys are already live on most devices right now. The moment you switch to a passkey, you become immune to phishing attacks because there is nothing for a hacker to steal. Stop creating new passwords today. Switch to passkeys now. Number 2. Cable TV. Cable TV, as a way of consuming pay television, is already technologically doomed. The traditional cable model is being completely destroyed by streaming services building their own content directly. Cable subscriptions have been dropping every single quarter for 5 years straight. By 2030, traditional cable infrastructure will be gone. If you are still paying a cable subscription right now, you are paying for something that will not exist. Cancel it today. Number 3. USB cables and physical charging wires. Stay with me because this one affects every device you own. Wireless charging technology is improving rapidly. In the near future, wired phone chargers may become completely obsolete. Every major phone manufacturer is building wireless charging as the primary method. The tangle of cables is becoming a museum exhibit. Start investing in wireless charging pads now and stop buying cables you will not need. Number 4. The landline telephone. Landlines are becoming relics of the past as mobile devices take center stage. Telecommunications companies are already reducing landline infrastructure in favor of mobile and internet-based services. BT in the UK has already announced the full switch off of the traditional landline network by 2027. That is next year. If you have one, make alternative arrangements immediately. Number 5, and this is the one that shocked me. Physical cash. This is already further along than most people realize. With digital payments, cash is becoming less common. Contactless payments remove the need for physical cards as well. Sweden is nearly cashless. China processes over 90% of transactions digitally. Central banks are developing digital currencies. By 2030, experts confirm cash will be a minority payment method. The notes in your wallet are on a countdown. Number 6. Physical storage. USB drives and hard drives. Cloud storage is faster, more secure, and already cheaper than physical drives per gigabyte. Every major tech company has confirmed physical storage for everyday use will be entirely cloud-based by 2030. If you are still backing up to a USB drive, move everything to cloud storage today, before that USB fails permanently. Number 7. The last one and the most personal. Petrol and diesel cars. The UK, EU, and dozens of countries have already legislated that new petrol and diesel car sales end between 2030 and 2035. The time to switch is now, while there is still good trade-in value, not in 2029, when everyone is trying to do the same. 7 technologies, all dying before 2030. Passwords switch to passkeys, cable TV cancel, USB cables, wireless, landlines, alternative arrangements, physical cash, digital, USB hard drives, cloud, petrol cars, switch. Screenshot this list right now. The people who act on this today will be ahead. Which one shocked you most? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe to Tech Simplified Pro.